This is a video from eSkills Zone. For more videos, notes, and certificates, please visit www.eskillszone.com.
Hello and welcome. Hi viewers. In this video we will learn how to apply 3D effects to shapes. Applying 3D effects means displaying the object in three full dimensions. To apply 3D effects, we will follow the given steps. First, we will click on the shape to select it like this, and then we will click the Format tabs. So you can see that the Format tabs is now opens. Now we'll click on the shape effects from the shape styles group, and from here we can see that we have a 3D rotation option. So from the top down menu we'll click on the 3D rotation from the list, and we can click on any effect of them, like the one we can select of our own choice. Here in this case I would like to select this one. So here you can see that it has a different 3D rotation shape. The picture changes its position, and if you would like to change that the different angles, like rotate right 90, real left 90, flip vertical, flip horizontal, there are multiple options that you can change according to your own choice. And now we would like to learn how to change the position of an object or image. We can place an object or image at different positions anywhere within the text. This makes our document more attractive and enhances its presentation. Now, to change the position of the object, we will follow the following steps. So first of all, we will click on the object, this object, and then we will select the Format tab, and from the position arrow in the arrange group, so this is a group, and we will select the position icon arrow. So you can see that a list of different layouts appears. So as soon as I select any of the position, so you can see that the image changes its position according to that. So we will see that the position of the image is being changed according to the selection. So here in this case I would like to select this one. So you can see that how this image can be presented between the document, between the text, and this is how you can present your document. And if you like to wrap the text, you can see they have different shapes, like in line with text, and square, and tight, through, top and bottom, behind text, in front of text. So this way we can also change its positions. Like if we click on the behind text, then you can see that the same image can be seen behind the text, and if you click in front of the text, then you can see that the text can be hidden and the picture can be seen right in front of all the text. So there are multiple styles are available. So this way you can change the position of an object or image. So that's all, and thanks for watching.